Are you too lazy to budget? Too busy to track every penny? What if I told you the secret to building wealth isn't working harder? It's setting up a system that does the work for you. This is your bulletproof money system for lazy people. So if you like my last video about mastering yourself, you're going to love this, because this time we're making your money habits automatic. Let's go. Last time I shared the real secret to financial freedom, mastering your own mind. We talked about how fear and laziness are normal, but tiny daily actions beat big plans that never happen. Now, let's take that a step further. If you want to win the money game for life, you can't rely on willpower alone. You need a system that runs on autopilot even when you're feeling tired, stressed, or lazy. Here's why this works. Your brain hates change. It wants to keep you safe and comfortable. That means procrastinating on money decisions. You tell yourself, I'll start saving next month. I'll invest when I have more time. I'll budget when life slows down. Spoiler, life never slows down. But a money system removes the daily decisions. Think of it like a self-driving car for your money. You do the hard work once, setting it up. Then you just check in once in a while. This is exactly how people who seem disciplined stay consistent. They don't have more willpower, they have better systems. All right, here's my simple 4-step framework for a bulletproof money system, especially for lazy people like you and me. And guess what? This works whether you earn $200 or $20,000 a month. Step 1, separate your money. Have at least 3 basic accounts. One for spending, your main checking account. One for savings, for emergencies and short-term goals. One for investing, for long-term wealth. When your money is all in one account, it magically disappears. Separate accounts give every dollar a job. Step 2, pay yourself first. The biggest wealth hack. Treat saving and investing like bills. When your paycheck comes in, money for saving and investing moves first, not last. Why? If you spend first and try to save what's left, you'll never have anything left. Even if it's $5, do it first. Step 3, automate everything. This is the real lazy magic. Automate your paycheck split. Set up automatic transfers to savings the day you get paid. Automate your investment contributions. Many apps let you do this for free. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. When you automate, you don't need to trust your memory or mood. Your money system does the heavy lifting for you. Step 4, check in once a week. Once a week, Sunday is perfect. Spend 5 to 10 minutes to check your balances. Celebrate tiny wins. Hey, I saved $10 more than last week. Hey, my investments grew a little bit. This small ritual keeps you aware without the stress of budgeting every single day. And if you want to get fancy later, you can use a budget app. But the system is what matters, not the app. Now, maybe you're thinking, but I don't earn enough to do this. Listen, it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. $1 saved is better than zero. $5 invested is better than nothing. What matters is that you build the muscle. You'll earn more later, but only if you train your money habits now. It's like going to the gym. You don't bench 200 pounds on day 1. You start small, and the habit makes you stronger. Here's a quick example of how this worked for me. When I got my first job, I didn't trust myself to save. So I set up my paycheck to split automatically. 80% to my spending account, 10% to savings, 10% to investing. Guess what? I barely noticed the difference, but over time, those small amounts added up to my first emergency fund. And when life threw me a curveball, I didn't have to stress. That's freedom. And that freedom came from automation, not discipline. All right, and here's your tiny action step today. I don't want you to just listen paxing, I want you to do something. Pick one thing to automate. Open a separate savings account, set up an auto transfer, even $5 a week, automate a bill you always pay late, schedule a 10-minute money check-in for this Sunday. These tiny steps remove stress, build habits, and make you feel proud, even if you're lazy. Comment below, what's the one money step you'll automate today? Your future self will thank you. Mastering your money isn't about being perfect, it's about setting up systems that make success automatic. That's how lazy people get rich, by making good habits impossible to ignore. Subscribe to Fortune Forward if you want more simple, strategic, and smart money advice, and hit that bell, because in the next video, I'll show you how to invest your first $100 without fear. Thanks for watching. Now, go build your bulletproof money system. You've got this.